Hey everyone, it's great to see you again. I am Bhargav Dakwala and I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for tuning in my YouTube latest video. In this video, I am going to be talking about solid principle and I will be sharing some tips and tricks that I think you will find really useful. So let's start with dependency inversion principle. So the dependency inversion principle is one of the solid principles of object-oriented design that states that high-level modules should not depend on low-level modules. Both should depend on abstractions and abstractions should not depend on details. These principles helps to reduce the dependency between classes, increase the code usability and promote the modular design. So here I have prepared one example. So let's consider an example of a customer management systems that contains a customer class and customer service class. So the customer service class is responsible for managing customer information, including creating new customer, retrieving customer informations, and updating customers' detail. So the customer service class has dependency on the customer repository class. This tight coupling between the customer service and customer repository classes can make the code difficult to test and maintenance. To apply the dependency inversion principle, we need to introduce an abstractions layer between customer services and customer repository classes. We can do this by creating an interface called iCustomerRepository. So here you can see that iCustomerRepository. Now we can modify the customer repository class to implement the customer repository interface. So here you can see that. Finally, we can modify the customer service class to depend on the iCustomer repository interface instead of the customer repository class. To apply the dependency inversion principle, we need to introduce an abstractions layer between the customer services and customer repository class. We can do this by creating an interface called iCustomerRepository. Now the customer service class depend on the iCustomer repository interface and the customer repository class implement this interface. This way we have decoupled the customer service class from the customer repository class and making it easier to test and maintain. We can easily create a new implementations of the iCustomer repository interface in the future without changing the customer service class. So thank you and enjoy code and keep it smile. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great videos like this one. Thank you very much.